Dandruff can be controlled by following a healthy hair care routine. Here are some of the best natural remedies for preventing and treating dandruff naturally. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar helps in treating itchy, dry skin and also helps to kill dandruff-causing fungus and bacteria. The acidic content of vinegar is supremely beneficial to drastically reduce flaking. Apply an equal quantity mixture of white vinegar with water on the scalp skin about half an hour before a head wash. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a scrub and exfoliates the scalp gently, without irritating it and removing dead skin cells. Exfoliation is essential to ensure there is no build-up of flakes on the scalp that make dandruff even more visible. You can simply add some baking soda to your shampoo while washing hair to derive its benefits. 3. Neem. All of us are aware of the role that neem extract plays in almost all skin medications because of its antibacterial and antifungal qualities. Since dandruff can mostly be attributed to fungal colonization of scalp, it is only right to turn to this age-old remedy for skin ailments. It's recommended to use a very diluted version of neem boiled in water, for the scalp, as concentrated versions may only irritate the skin further. 4. Tea tree oil. All anti-acne and antifungal medications boast of tea tree oil due to its exceptional power to fight fungal and bacterial infections. Add a drop or two of tea tree oil to your shampoo and wash normally and notice the results sitting in the comfort of your home. 5. Garlic. Garlic is immensely beneficial as an antifungal natural product, and the benefits of raw or crushed garlic have mesmerized man for centuries. Pound a clove or two of garlic and after mixing with water, use it on your scalp to see quick results. The smell? You could always mix in a little honey and ginger. 6. Aloe vera. Not only is aloe vera cooling but also mildly exfoliates the skin and has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It is best to directly extract some from the aloe vera plant. It is transparent and has a thick consistency. It can be applied in the scalp and then washed off with a medicated anti-dandruff or mild shampoo.